warm. Style. Her name is Miss Alfie. This hairstyle is great for if you have a long face, oval face, long chin, normal shaped face. You can pull this style off. The more hair you have, in my opinion, the better this style will look. If you are new tuning in, please hit that subscribe button to show some love. Hit that bell's notification so that you are alerted of new videos, and give this video a great big thumbs up. This encourages me to continue to do these types of videos. So y'all, let's jump into it. The only thing that you're going to need is a parting comb and product of your choice. That includes moisturizers and gel, you know, all that good stuff. I am starting out with clean hair. For this style, I decided not to use any product because I still have product from when I did the LOC method or the LCO method to moisturize my hair. Also, my hair is just in a critical place right now, and so I don't want to weigh her down too much. So I decided to just do Alfie without any product besides maybe gel. Anyway, what you're going to do is part your hair from ear to ear, and then I'm going to do a few flat twists with the front section of my hair that I did part out. So I say all of that to say that you will need to know how to do flat twists, or you can accomplish this hairstyle with cornrow type braiding if you know how to do that. I absolutely don't know how to do that. Flat twists just come easy for me, and it's just low manipulation, so it's not a lot of tugging and pulling at my scalp at this time. Okay, so just moving right along, doing a couple of flat twists here. I think all in all for my head, because I am working with a smaller head, I think I did about 5, no more than 6 twists here. I typically don't count, but to just kind of give you an idea, I did do between 6 or less flat twists at the very front. Okay, so very simple here. Doesn't take a rocket scientist at all, you know what I mean? Okay, so we're going to continue on, and we are going to move forward. So you guys, what I'm going to do is take my comb and begin to part the back of my head. But before we go forward, if you're not already following me on the IG, here's my information. Please, you guys, check me out there. I do post there, but not necessarily hair, FYI. Anyway, so I went on and I did do one part in the back of my head, but I'm going to take 2 of the twists that I did in the front, and I'm going to twist them together, and then I am going to take those 2 twists and I am going to twist it into the flat twist I'm going to do in the back. You guys, I do apologize for the sound. You girl were watching church. Please forgive me. I thought I took that out, but you know, whatever. I got to get that spiritual nourishment. And so I'm going to continue to take the twist that I've done in the front, twist them into each other, and then twist it into a flat twist for each part I'm doing in the back. And I believe I ended up with 4 twists in the back. Okay, so I want to use as less things in my hair as possible, as far as I'm not wanting to use any rubber bands, although you can for certainly do that. The only thing that I'm going to be using is bobby pins to hold everything in place. Once I have completed all of the twists, then I'm going to go in and I am going to begin to tuck the twist into each other, and you guys will see that shortly. And this will be a low manipulative protective hairstyle, okay, especially if you live in a hot climate and you just want to make sure that your scalp can breathe under your hair and things like that. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed watching Alfie. Adult or children can wear this style. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.